Good morning to all of you children. Kindly pray. Okay, let us begin our revision class. I have given you certain things to prepare. So one of you unmute yourself, raise the hand and tell me what you have come prepared today. I have given you from 3 chapters. Channel.
Yes, sir.
Yes, channel. From chapter number 2, one was from chapter number 2. Tell me that one. Comes to remember. Channel. I'm not able to hear. Samriddhi. Yes, beta. What I have given on that day?
The chapter 1 and chapter 2.
Not one, I think. Not one. 2 was there. Anybody would like to tell? Because it means those who have prepared, they will definitely tell me. Yes, who has prepared? I've given chapter 2. From chapter 2, question answers were there. And technical terms. Let us begin from here first. Are you preparing the diagrams also? Others? Preparing the diagram for exam, you need to prepare diagram. There are limited diagrams available for an exam. Prepare it properly. 1 or 2 times you practice. So I'm asking question from chapter number 2, and that is I'm asking from technical term. What is international date line? Yes. What do you mean by international date line? Yes, Parth.
Yes, sir. The international date line is the 180-degree meridian, which has 24-hour time difference.
Anything else? Anyone? Ujjwal?
Sir, this line is zigzag, not exactly straight.
3 points you tell me about international date line. 3 points.
Sir, it is 180-degree meridian and it can be reached from east and west both sides equally. And it is zigzag line in order to avoid the different dates on the same land, same place.
So in this chapter,
Left side of this line, 24 hours difference is noticed.
fine. What is the difference between Greenwich Mean Time and Indian Standard Time? Yes, Dev Mishra. GMT and IST. What is the difference? Dev Mishra. Where is it? Adarsh. Unmuted.
Good morning, sir. So the difference between GMT and IST is 5 hours and 30 minutes. It means that sir,
What is the difference? Suppose I'm asking differentiate between IST and GMT. How you will?
so by points. Yes. So the Greenwich Mean Time passes through near Greenwich, London, and so the international date line passes through Allahabad. And so Greenwich Mean Time is 0-degree longitude, and so the Indian Standard Time is 82 and a half degree longitude.
Listen, Indian Standard Meridian and Greenwich.
Yes, sir.
Indian Standard Meridian. The time of Indian Standard Meridian is the Indian Standard Time, or the Standard Meridian of India is 82.5 degree east. That time is Indian Standard Time. Prime Meridian time is that is the Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time is the standard for all over the world. In the IST is the standard time for India. Okay. You can have many points
Thank you, sir.
by your own. One question I am giving you. What do you mean by grid? What do you mean by Earth's grid? Yes. Dev Mishra, unmuted.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Dev.
Sir, the network of latitudes and longitudes is called Earth's grid. Sir, it is there to find the exact location of any place, town, or a city.
Okay. Very good. All of you open page number 26 and observe it. Indian Standard Meridian. Or Standard Meridian of India, whose time is taken as Indian Standard Time. There is a one diagram given, figure is given here in your book. Please refer page number 26. Near Allahabad it is passing. And you can see it is 82.5 degree east. It is at a distance, it is at a difference of 82.5 degree from the prime meridian, that is 0 degree. That is why there's a difference of, in time, there's a difference of 5 hours 30 minutes plus. Okay. Diagram you can see. What is local time? Standard time we have seen. I have asked question from the standard time. What is local time, children? Very easy question. Raj Nandini.
So the local time of a place is the time which the meridian passes through that place.
Okay, any other answer? Samriddhi. Ujjwal. Sir. Ranveer Raj.
Yes, sir.
Unmuted.
Yes, sir. Local time is the standard time of a country or a region in whole.
Local time. See, when you are, I'm talking about local time, standard time don't bring. It is still itself confusing. Local time is a standard time. There's two different things you are bringing together. What is local time? Very easy. Simple answer. Tell me simple answer. Standard time is nothing to do with the local time. It's totally different. Yes, Ujjwal.
Sir, the local time of a place can be determined by the meridian of that place. When the sun is overhead that meridian, it is 12 noon for
Yes.
that place. That is the local time.
Okay. So local time basically is the time of particular meridian. Okay. In another way, I can tell you, Greenwich Mean Time. You have studied, Samriddhi? Greenwich Mean Time. Tell me, Samriddhi, if you have studied it. Greenwich Mean Time is the local time of which meridian? Unmuted. Greenwich Mean Time is the local time of which meridian? Unmuted. Yes, I have unmuted you. Not yet. No, I don't know why. Raj Nandini,
So prime meridian.
tell me the longitude.
So 0 degree long.
Very good. So, what I am asking, in terms of local time, let us study the GMT. So, it is the local time of 0 degree longitude or prime meridian. But this local time is followed by all over the world as the reference. Understood? people calculate their time according to the prime meridian. That is why it is the standard time for all over the world. In the same way, the local time of Indian standard meridian or 82.5 degree east, the local time of that meridian is followed all over India. So we call it Indian standard time. Clear? Okay. Some diagrams are there, children. In this, I hope you will prepare properly. You have prepared. Whichever diagrams are given, do the practice for that. Like summer solstice and winter solstice. Then tilt of the earth. Then perihelion and aphelion. All the diagrams which are given and we have done. Do practice it. Akarsha, you have question? Akarsha, you have, okay. Unmuted.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, my name is Akshara.
Akshara, okay, Akshara.
Sir, I want to know that how to find local time when we know the longitude and to find longitude when time is given. So how we can find? You can explain one time.
See, for every 1 degree change in longitude, there's a difference of for 15 degree, how much difference will be there? Akshara,
Yes, sir.
for 1 degree, 4-minute difference is there. For 15 degree, how much difference of time will be there?
60 degree.
There, 60 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Means for a change of 15 degree longitude, either east or west, you have to either add 1 degree, one hour, or subtract 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to how much hour? Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, you are asking that how we can find the longitude and time relationship.
Yes, sir.
This is prime meridian. Its time is called GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. And at this, the current time is 12 p.m. Suppose that current time is 12 p.m. What is given? Longitude is given 0 degree. Time is given 12 p.m. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to find the time of 30 degree east longitude. Clear, Akshara?
Yes, sir.
75 degree west longitude. Let us take 2 examples. Okay. You are given time of prime meridian 0 degree longitude 12 p.m. and you have to find time of a city whose longitude is 30 degrees, city X, and city Y. Longitude is 75 degree west. 30 degree east, 75 degree west. Two city time you have to find. Clear? These 2 examples are sufficient. Okay. From here 0 degree to 30 degree, how much longitude difference is there? From 0 degree to 30 degree, how much longitude difference is there? 30 degree. Clear? From 0 to 30, how much difference is there? 30 minus 0, 30. Clear or not? Now, for 15 degree, how much time difference is there? Tell me. Yes. For 15 degree, how much time difference we have found?
1 hour.
1 hour. For 30 degree,
Sir, 2 hour.
2 hour. So the time will be 2 hour at a 2 hour difference from prime meridian, 30 degree longitude, time will be 2 hour difference. But whether it is ahead of 12 p.m. or behind 12 p.m. Are you able to understand? Either
Yes.
it is 1 p.m., 2 p.m., either it is 2 p.m. or 10 a.m. 2 hour difference can be 2 p.m. also. 2 hour difference can be 10 a.m. also. So what is the answer? Answer is that when you move toward the east, from the prime meridian, when you move toward the east, you will add time. You will add the time. And when you move toward the west, you subtract the time. Okay? Here you have to add the time. Clear? It is 12 p.m. So it will be 2 p.m. or 14 hours. Clear? Is that clear to you? Now 75 degree west, you calculate. What will you try at this longitude? 75 degree west. What is the difference? 75 degree west to 0 degree. What is the difference? Yes. 75 degree difference is there or not? Then after that, for 15 degree, how much hour difference is there? For 15 degree, how much hour difference is there?
1 hour.
For 75 degree,
3 hours.
3 hour difference is there. Okay. Now time is 12 p.m. It is to the west. The location of city Y, whose longitude is 75 degree west, is on the western side. Time will be added or subtracted? Yes.
Subtracted.
So 12 p.m. minus 3 hours. What will be the time?
9 hours. 9 p.m.
Clear?
So now, yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Body will be celestial body. Yes. No, it is from second chapter. No problem. Yes, great. Here we come. Chapter 2 only. One more chapter was given. I think chapter 4 was given. Samriddhi? Chapter 4 was given, no? 5? Oh, sorry, 6 or 7? No. 7 or 8? 7 or 8, Samriddhi? Please check. 8, I think, or 7. Tell me. Yes.
Sir, you have given first and second chapter.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. So first chapter, please give answer. What other? Anybody can enumerate few conditions favorable for life on Earth? Favorable condition? Many students are here. 118 students are sitting. Yes. Other will not give answer. Only 1 or 2 students will repeat. Children? Okay, Aniswati, you tell me, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, the presence of oxygen the temperature in which humans can survive, the water, and the land for cultivation.
Okay. Anybody else? Any other answer? Yes, Ranveer Raj.
Yes, sir. Sir, water cycle, heat cycle, oxygen cycle, and sir, presence of means gases in a perfect combination for life to exist on Earth. And sir, the distance from the Earth from the Sun means not too far and not too close from the Sun also.
Okay. Put down the hand, all of you. Tell me, what is the significance of atmosphere on the Earth? If you compare it with the other planet, what is the significance of the atmosphere? Ujjwal.
Sir, the atmosphere of Earth contains the correct composition of gases, whereas the atmosphere of other planets contain poisonous gases and
With
cannot-
example, you give me some proper example.
like Venus. Sir, in Venus, there is too much carbon dioxide, due to which the temperature of the Venus is too much. But on Earth, it is correctly not too much, not too less carbon dioxide, so temperature is favorable.
Okay.
So,
Tell me, what do you understand by, put down the hand. What do you understand by antipodal? Who will tell me? Antipodal. Shivansh Gupta. Yes, Shivansh.
Sir, antipodal arrangement means if that one side is land and then the opposite side of it is water.
Basically, antipodal of any place on Earth is the point on the Earth's surface that is diametrically opposite. Land and water is antipodally arranged. Okay, the arrangement of land and water, that more land in the northern hemisphere and more water in the southern hemisphere, that is called antipodal arrangement. But basically, antipodal is that the point on the Earth's surface that is diametrically opposite. Okay. What do you mean by Anuskruti? Unmuted. Do not
Yes,
talk in
sir.
class with us. Do not talk.
Yes. Sir.
What do you mean by biosphere? Biosphere. I think I need to ask you directly. Many will not raise the hand. Switch on the camera, all of you. Homework was given after so many days classes. Today class is being conducted. Come on. Give me answer. Biosphere. Akshita Gupta. Akshita, are you listening? Akshita,
Yes, sir.
what do you mean by water cycle?
So water cycle means the water is evaporated and then condenses, and then it forms a cloud, and then again it rains. That
Anyone
will be
else?
what.
Anyone else? Raj Nandini?
So the circulation of water in the Earth's atmosphere is called water cycle. First, sir, the water gets evaporated and also a transpiration occurs. Then it moves into the air where it gets condensed together and then it precipitates in the maybe in the form of rain or snow. Something like that.
What do you mean by oxygen cycle?
So oxygen cycle is the the plants are giving out the oxygen which is utilized up by the animals, and the animals are giving carbon dioxide which is again utilized by the plant for the process.
Anybody else? Akarsha, you want to give answer? Give answer. Unmuted.
Oxygen cycle supports the life on the earth. Oxygen cycles give the oxygen.
I think network issue on your side. Yes, many students are sitting here. Switch on the camera, all of you, first of all. Asta, Shaurya. Krishna, Toyaj, Vipkar, Aditya Pratap, Rahul, Jomaria, Ansh, Adarsh, Anuradha, Rohit, Shreyansh, Saurabh, yes, Abhay Oja, Drishti, Mayank, Soumya. Switch on the camera, all of you. Everybody switch on the camera now. What is asteroid? Nowadays, very commonly, we are hearing about it that in the future, asteroid is going to come near Earth, going to zoom past near Earth. Very often, news comes in the internet, through internet or through newspaper. What is asteroid? Who want to give? Amrita Divedi, unmuted. Please give answer.
Sir, a rocky planetary body obtaining the sun is called asteroid.
Have you heard that ever asteroid caused destruction on Earth? Have you heard?
Asteroid causes destruction on Earth.
When? How? Any specific about it that you know? Ayushi Shrivastava? Anybody wants to give answer? Ashwi Singhal.
Hello, sir.
Yes, you want to give answer?
Sir, asteroid comes and that it coincides with the Earth, means, and after that it caused destruction.
That event, a famous event, anybody knows? For your knowledge,
No, sir.
Ranveer Raj, okay, Ranveer.
Yes, sir. Sir, the extinction of dinosaurs.
Very good. It happened. Where that asteroid fell?
Sir, it fell on the peninsula in the supercontinent at the direct stage. It fell.
Yucatan Peninsula. It is near the in between North America and South America. Yucatan Peninsula. Okay. What do you mean by photochemical process? Photochemical process, children. There are a handful of students who are raising their hand again and again. And this should not happen. Everybody should participate. Children, I've given you time and only few chapters were given. Participation, discussion, question and answer. This make our class interactive. Otherwise, just sitting in the class, even without switching on the camera, what purpose you are serving, child? Your exams are few days. After few days, it will start. So many students are still just sitting without their camera on. Okay. Chapter 2. All of you do one thing. I'm giving you some work. Do it now. Take out your pencil and paper. Few diagrams draw now. Just now. We have one diagram. Draw labeled self-explanatory diagram of volcano, page 67. And chapter number 4, we have draw self-explanatory diagram showing the composition and structure of the earth. Board diagram you practice now. Do it now and show me on your screen. With the pencil you have to draw. Draw. Page 67, all of you open. That diagram of volcano is given actually on page 62. Page 62. Cross section of volcano is given. Draw it right now. Five minutes will be given. It is not that very it is not that a drawing work. It is a diagram. It is not something drawing competition. Just to know that feature where these things are located. Okay. These two I am asking you to practice now. Side by side practice, all children, because you have many diagrams that and it can come in the exam. This will help you. Others, William, you have any question? Yes, unmuted.
So in page number 190. So page number 190.
Page number
In that, sir, given Canadian Shield and Labrador Plateau. So yes, sir, 190.
Yes. Yes. Ask.
So in that, so first is Canadian Shield and second is Labrador Plateau.
Okay.
Then,
You
sir,
want
which
that-
part is Canadian Shield and which part is Labrador Plateau, sir? Because, sir, they are.
For you and everybody, see. Just draw till here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please see, I am showing in the camera. Everybody see. Till here you show. You just cut this one. I am a Labrador Plateau. I am covering with the pencil. Now you can see, children. Canadian
Yes, sir.
Shield. Fine.
Yes, sir.
This much you show. All of you, please see. Canadian Shield. This much you show. It is okay. Labrador Plateau I have covered with the pencil. Clear? This much area you cover, and where one is written, it is a water body. Do not show. Do not cover this. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Two minutes more. Anybody sitting in my class at present who don't know about the question paper pattern? I have told on the very first day of revision. If anybody don't know, kindly raise the hand. Before ending this class, I will make you revise it again. I'm asking to all my children here, if anybody was not present in the previous class, I told all the students what is the pattern of paper, 80 marks paper, and what is the question paper pattern. If anybody was absent or has any doubt, kindly raise the hand. So I will explain it now. Last minute, one more minute, children. After that, you will show me one by one. Shehbaz Raza, unmuted. Shehbaz Raza. Yes, please
Yes,
ask.
sir. Sir, I don't know about question paper pattern.
Okay. Please turn your page. Turn the book page. Page number. Please turn page number 216, Shehbaz. Have you opened that page?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Please join him. Okay. What is written at the top? ICSC specimen paper.
Yes.
It is a sample paper, children, Shehbaz. So
Yes, sir.
basically your paper is divided into two parts. Part 1, 30 marks. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And second page you see part 2, 50 marks. Can you see? Can you see or not? 30 marks and 50 marks. Can you see? I am not able to hear from you. Not getting.
Yes, I can see.
Okay. Part 1 will be having 2 questions and both are compulsory. Part 1 will be of 30 marks. First question 20 marks. Second question math 10 marks. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
First question 2 marks question, short question will be there, and there will be 10 questions. So 2 marks question, 10 questions. How many? 20 marks.
20 marks.
10. Next will be map work, that is based present syllabus is plateau and mountain. Okay, which we have done. Plateau and mountain. Have you noted down the syllabus now?
Yes.
Have you noted down the syllabus or not? Plateau and mountain. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then it will be 10 marks. So 20 marks short answer, 10 marks plateau and mountain. 20 plus 10, 30. Now come to part 2, 50 marks. There will be 8 or 9 questions. Please see. 9 questions are given here, on 8 questions or 9 questions. In that, any 5 you have to give answer. Any 5. Question 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These questions represent a chapter. These questions represent usually a chapter. Now listen. If you want to give question number 3 answer, you have to write answer of all the sub question A, B, C, D. If you want to give question number 5 answer, all the A, B, C, D you have to give answer. Clear, Shahbaz?
Yes, sir.
Don't do like this. Each question will be of 10 marks. Clear? Each question is of 10 marks. Any 5 question you select, how many marks answer you will attempt? Then 5 question into 10 marks?
50 marks.
50 marks. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What is not allowed? Let me clarify here. What is not allowed? That you have done question number 3, 2 question from 3 and 2 question from 4. Not allowed. Either you take 3 or you take 4 or 5. If you know the answer, write all the answer A, B, C, D. You will not mix. Intermixing is not allowed. Internal choice is not given. Intermixing is not allowed. Internal choice is not given. You take a question, do it fully. All the parts. Clear?
Okay, sir. Fine.
And just write question number 2, 3, 4. Part A, start writing the answer. Need not to write the question. Need not to repeat the question. You can write the answer, but correct option should be written. And you will not change the serial also. Are you able to understand? Suppose that you are going to start question number 3. Question number 3 you written. Now you want to write question number 5. So what question number you will write? Question number 5. You will not write question number 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In serial, it will be question number 4. But you will write 5. Exact number of the question. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Fine. All of you show your work. Sania, do you have anything to ask? Done.
Yes, sir.
You want to show it now?
Yes, sir.
Please show it. Yes. Turn it here. Right turn, right turn. Tanya, Winston, all of you show. First, show me the volcano diagram. Very good. Aditi Pandey, drawn very good. Samriddhi also very good. Children, show me. I'm revising it in my class. Then also you're not able to do. Please do it. I'm not asking you to do with the pencil color and all. Just do with the pencil only. Very good. Tanya has shown. Parth, Anis Kruti has shown. Aditi also. Samriddhi has shown. Yashi, Raj Nandini, Ahmed Raza, Akshita, Ayushi, Avika, Ranveer, Pooja. Very good. Now next one, please show me. Now chapter number 4 also I have given one. That also you show. Only one diagram is there. Self-explanatory diagram. Page number 41. That is the crust, mantle and core with details written over there. Parth Tiwari. Okay, Parth. Make it stable. It is actually camera is not showing clearly. It is blurred. Okay, Pooja. Fine. Yes. Ayushi has also shown. Very good. What you need to show here, listen all of you carefully. If you are drawing this diagram, children, draw a self-explanatory diagram showing the composition and structure of the earth. You have to show inner core, outer core, mantle and crust. First thing, Gutenberg discontinuity and Mohorovic discontinuity you have to show. Clear? Next. Please show that Seema and Sial. Listen, you are not supposed to show this one. No, this one only. Okay, the diagram is for this one, the circular one. Seema, Sial, they are not asking. Separately, they are not asking. Question is asking, draw a self-explanatory diagram showing the composition and structure of the earth. Composition you have shown, and then structure you have shown, and composition. Like in that only you show Seema, Sial, where some inner core, nickel and iron is present. Then in mantle, liquid rocks are there. This way. Okay. Another diagram, page number 39. You have one summer winter solstice, aphelion and perihelion. Please prepare properly. Winter solstice, summer solstice, aphelion and perihelion. Prepare properly. Diagram which are given here, please prepare. Temperature zone, earth grid, parallel or latitude, whichever are given, please prepare properly. Winston Rawson, do you have anything to ask? Okay, unmuted.
Sir, please explain map work.
Were you absent earlier?
Yes, sir.
Map work, what you have to prepare, that you want to know. Open the
Yes,
page.
sir.
Please open the page. Class is going to end. Please listen. Those who are absent earlier, note down the map work also. Syllabus, all please open Winston syllabus. And map work is given.
No, sir, how is it coming exam?
How?
Means now you have told that at page number 222.
But first of all, note down the syllabus, then you will be able to do. Note down the syllabus. Map work open, syllabus. Point number 7, map work. Have you got this?
Yes, sir.
Now in that, it is given mountains. Point number 4. Read mountain. How many mountains are given? Read. Please read fast. Time is over.
Rockies, Andes,
Fine.
Appalachian, Alps.
Yes.
National
Till
mountains.
Great Dividing Range. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the last is plateau. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, where it is given, telling you the page number also.
222.
190 and 189. Page number 189 and 190 it is given. Please prepare from there. Okay, Winston? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Children, today's time is over. When you come next time, please prepare chapter number 3 and 4. Chapter 3 and 4 I will ask. Okay? Akshay, you are showing? Akarsha, okay. Good. Good day to all of you children.